Okay, so all we're going to do in this section is add a script to the main camera so that we can get a little bit of flying around our scene. And I basically took this script from a, a discussion thread on the Unity forum, and here is the attribution here. And it's embedded into the script. But basically, it arose from someone who wanted a Flycam, and the sort of community built it up. Now, there's a lot of things in here that we don't need uh, because all we really want to do is get a sense of how to fly around. But what I've done is made two changes to the script that you would download if you went to that forum. The first is that I've clamped the position of the vertical position of the camera so that it can't go beneath the lawn. And I've also made it so that it can't go massively high into the sky as well. And the other thing that I've done is I've made it so that the keys that move the camera forward and backward, left and right are the WSAD keys. And that's because the keys that move the camera up and down in vertical space are the Q and E keys, and it just keeps everything nice and tight on the keyboard that way, rather than using the horizontal arrows. So basically, all you do is put that script onto the main camera, and then when we play the game, then what will happen is that we'll be able to fly around. So, whoops, let's go onto here. And so I'm pressing W and E and Q, and you can see that we're flying around. Now, if I hold the right shift key down, I can literally fly around the lawn as well. So that's really nice, and that'll come in very handy when we want to start looking at things on the lawn.